Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's Esther again, and you know that I am always here to simplify EdTech for you. So today I'm going to show you the best way to share your slides, to present your slides on Zoom. Instead of using the normal way of screen sharing that everybody knows, I'm going to be showing you a fantastic way, an effective way of sharing your slides on Zoom. So we're going to proceed to share screen, just like we normally do, like when you want to share your screen. But instead of clicking on the slide to share from here, I already have my slide open, but instead of going ahead to share it from here, I'm gonna go to advanced options here, click on advanced, and you see slides as virtual background. It's a beta, but it works perfectly if you have sound. If you have video or audios in your slides, you might want to enable share sound. But my slide is very plain, no video, no audio. I'm gonna proceed to share it now. When I click on share, it's gonna prompt me to choose a slide. Now remember, for your slide to be presentable, the extension has to be PPT. It has to be the slide extension. So I'm gonna click on this. This is what I want to share, and once I click on it, it's gonna prompt me to open. I would open the slide and it would process. At times it depends on the size of your presentation. So if you have presentation that isn't so big, it's gonna open very fast. In the background it's preparing my slides, but this slide is quite big. As you can see, my PowerPoint was jumping down there. Now I have see, I am showing here. So this is my default Zoom video. I'm gonna hide this panel. I'm gonna hide this thumbnail because I don't need it. And here is a video of me, and in my background behind me is my slides. What I am gonna do now is to reduce this video because I think the thumbnail is quite big. I'm gonna reduce it from here, and you can see I can drag it. All you have to do is drag the edge, and I'm gonna bring it to the top here where I can see everyone. I can look directly into my camera and everyone can see me. So how do I move this slide? I'm just gonna go ahead and play the slide. Just continue pressing the forward arrow and it's gonna move from one slide to the other. This is what your screen would look like. This is what other people would see. They would see you on your slide. Your slide is behind you. I like this presentation because it's very interactive. I can say, oh, right here, oh, it's on this side, right here, you see this, and it looks like I am on the slide, literally on the slide. I think it's fantastic for teachers. It increases engagement and interaction in class. All you have to do to continue to, when you just want to go to the next slide, you click on the forward arrow and you do that. Now if you want to see your students, you come to the thumbnail here and click on it. You would see the participants right here. You want to see all of them, you drag it out, but I think it's distracting as it is, so I'm gonna go ahead and hide it. And please note that sharing your slides as background doesn't affect your recording. You can see that my meeting is being recorded. It's normal. It works perfectly fine. My participants can see my background, which is my slide, and they can interact with it. I'm gonna proceed to share. Keep pressing the forward key till I get to the end of the slide. That's it on how to present your PowerPoint or your Google slide as a background. It's very effective and you should try it out. Do not forget to let me know if this works for you, and let me receive your feedback on what you like about this experience. Thank you for watching again, and please subscribe to this channel, support the work, and share with your friends or your colleagues. Bye!